Welcome back to Import Talk channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today, I have my wife's Porsche Cayenne. It's fully decked out, fully modified, and I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. We were choosing between the Lexus RX, a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a BMW X5, and the Mercedes-Benz GLE and a Porsche Cayenne. We mainly decided on this because we test drove all the cars, and this one because it drives sporty enough for us but comfy enough to be a daily car. For the mods, we've been planning out the build of this. Funny enough, I actually bought her already a super simple Techart kit, like add-on front spoiler, rear diffuser, and all, but she didn't like it. So I sold that kit. Good thing I'm the exclusive dealer of Techart here in the Philippines. Techart Germany messaged me that, hey, we're developing the Magnum kit. Can you wait? So this is the first Cayenne Magnum in Asia, guys, and the only one here in the Philippines. We love how, well, she loves how it looks. It looks like a better looking Urus in her eyes, and the combination that we did, I love it. This is the first Porsche Cayenne in the country sporting a Techart Magnum kit. This is a wide body program from Techart Germany. Let's start off with the full carbon fiber front bumper. It's a two-tone black and white combination. So can you believe, guys, I painted over all the carbon fiber parts. This is actually all carbon fiber. This is a Porsche Cayenne hybrid. So I told my wife that I wanted to paint it all black as compared to exposing carbon fiber. Since this is not the top-of-the-line turbo model, I wanted a more sleek and more subtle combination. It features bigger grille. Well, there's no grille, but you get bigger vents for the cooling and the aero. Super aggressive design. Looks like an Urus killer. Also, this car features the Techart Magnum carbon fiber hood. This is all carbon fiber. Also, the vents are completely active. Actually, I'll show you guys. So yeah, you can see the Techart logo here. Then the air goes in here and it goes out here. This one, it's all active and it's all working. The vents cools down the engine. The weave is perfect. I left the carbon fiber exposed here. So when you open the engine bay, you can see the carbon fiber weave. I also changed the emblem. This one is called the Blackout Porsche Crest. It's from the turbo variant, but I think it suits this build. It's called the Magnum kit mainly because this is a wide body program. This has the wide body extended flares. This is around 20 mm and the rear is around 25 mm more than the stock body. It's painted two-tone black. The Magnum logo is there. Then this is the only Magnum part that is not carbon fiber. This is PU, meaning to say it's plastic. Also included is the side skirt, which is in plastic as well. It connects all the way there. I really love the design of this because, yeah, as you can see, look at that. It looks so nice. Also, as you can see, it's lowered, guys. This is now in the lowest setting, which drops the car around 1.5 inches. Looks really good, especially when you're parked. But yeah, when I drive the car, I usually drive it in a higher stance. Lastly, my favorite part of the car is the rear. Look how aggressive and how gorgeous this car looks from the rear. I love the design of the Techart bumper. Super aggressive. The over fender looks so nice. So this whole thing is all carbon fiber. Also, this is a Techart trunk spoiler. Then it's sporting the Techart logo and the Magnum. To complete the look, We have this gorgeous AL13 RS140 design. I actually rendered a couple of wheel design for my wife to choose from, and she loves how this wheel looks on this car. It's a three-piece construction. You can see all the details and the milling work. This is the RS series, the top of the line series. You can see the AL13 logo and the four-piece cap. It has a carbon fiber base with the AL13 engraved on it. My wife wanted an all-white wheel setup, but I told her that this will be so much nicer. Also, this is wrapped with Pirelli P0 tires, 285 35 23, and the rear is 325 30 23. For the mods, I've installed a TNEER exhaust system. It's valve, so this is the remote control there. So you turn off and on the valves. It doesn't sound super loud, which I like because I don't want this car to sound super loud like a supercar. Then eventually, when we're able to hack in the ECU, I will install downpipes and tune this car. But right now, our tuning device cannot communicate with the ECU. It's too new. Till that time comes, the ECU will remain stock. My sport mode, okay. 1, 2, 3. It's pretty fast. I mean, for an SUV, it's pretty fast. I think it goes to 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. For this kind of car, it's okay. I mean, I'm very, very much happy. So this is it for the Techart Magnum Cayenne review. I hope you guys like what I did to this car. You can comment in the comment section, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.